Well, greetings, Lokpajo, Acholi, greetings to you all. Thank you so much for always staying with me. I'm still here and we're talking about baby King Dalvin, the search and the history of the person who is missing. Well, in this interview, many people have been saying that baby Dalvin did not say he would go abroad. Those of Gilbert Lanya said, baby Dalvin said he would go abroad. Going abroad, not going abroad, that's the tension. One retention is to confirm that if baby Dalvin went abroad or wanted to go abroad or not. Now, this is a confirmation that baby Dalvin wanted to go abroad. He said this while boasting to Z-Man in an interview. Check the video.
Yeah. Where do you see yourself in around 5 years or 10 years? Or where is your destiny as far as music is concerned?
Actually, I don't know where my destination is actually, but I'm working hard. I want to be a superstar. I know I'm a star, but I haven't reached the level one.
Yeah.
I want to be seen in MTV, China over, because at the moment I'm still doing my shit in Uganda. I'm working hard. I want to be international. That is my dream.
Yeah. Just like, it shouldn't matter a lot because Baby King is here in Uganda. I think after some weeks,
we're going to do that.
After some weeks, I'm flying away, and you'll be watched in America by everybody in America.
I know they watch me, but I want to be watched constantly.
Oh yeah. Like maybe after every 5 minutes.
Yeah, they watch me.
Somebody.
Yeah.
We can say
about me, Z-Man, blah blah blah.
Yeah, you look a very handsome man.
Yeah, I think I'm a dark man like Acholi. I hope you see my skin.
So I think everyone will know on the issue of baby Dalvin wanting to go abroad. We all now have the answer. This was an interview with Z-Man which happened 13 years ago. So the discussion of baby Dalvin wanting to go abroad should now be cancelled, because you all know that indeed he went abroad. I beg your pardon. Indeed, he wanted to go abroad. Now, what we are left to look for is, did he go abroad? Thank you so much. And as I promised that I will be doing my research from the archives, I'm on it. Nice time.